Cortime. Cortime is an optimization tool for 3D CAD published by Piosoft Company. Cortime automates the design, exploration, optimization, and testing. A user with SolidWorks license can work on Cortime. Timeline. Cortime was founded based on an idea originated from a PhD project from Thoger Kari Jensen at Aalborg University in 2013. In 2016, Rasmus Hatoft Sorensen joined Piosoft as CEO. Release history. In February 2017, Cortime beta version was released at Los Angeles, USA. Cortime will initially be sold through SolidWorks and reseller worldwide on a SaaS model. About. Cortime integrates with SolidWorks CAD program with the optimization algorithms that enables users to optimize their designs through optimal design solution automatically. Users can download Cortime software from Piosoft's website. Engineers can include several variables in their calculations while making it faster. It will help engineers in developing turbines, blades, ship rotors, light sources, refrigeration systems, and many more. Model setup. Cortime can set up optimization models in 3 steps. Define objectives. Assign variables. Variables. Configure the optimization algorithm.